Welcome to our tutorial on using ChatGPT to create SEO content in 6 simple steps. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate high-quality and engaging content for your website. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your target keywords. To start, you need to identify the keywords you want to target for your content. These keywords should align with your website's goals and be relevant to your audience. Make a list of 5 to 10 keywords you would like to focus on. Step 2. Open ChatGPT. Next, you'll need to access ChatGPT. Step 3. Input your keywords. Once you've signed up, you can start using ChatGPT. Begin by inputting your target keywords into the chat box. ChatGPT will then generate a list of related topics and ideas based on your keywords. Step 4. Refine your content. Go through the list generated by ChatGPT and refine your content by selecting the ideas that you feel are the most relevant and interesting. You can then ask ChatGPT to expand on these ideas and generate more content. Step 5. Publish and promote. Finally, it's time to publish your content and promote it. Share your content on your website. Encourage your audience to share your content and engage with it. Conclusion. That's it. With these 5 simple steps, you can use ChatGPT to create high-quality and SEO-friendly content for your website. Remember, the more content you produce, the more opportunities you'll have to attract and retain your audience. Good luck! Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.